Welcome to the Crypto Win channel. Today we will talk about the price of Zcash for the next few weeks. Like and subscribe to the channel before watching this video. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed. Zcash is one of the most promising tokens with a high level of anonymity. It is the first open-source digital asset based on the blockchain. The coin appeared on October 28, 2016. The Bitcoin framework became the basis for Zcash, so both coins have a lot in common. However, their cost varies considerably. BTC is around $20,000 and ZEC is still around $120. What determines the price of Zcash? How much will Zcash cost? Predicting Zcash prices is not an easy task. We will consider not only historical price movements, but also the forecasts of ZEC analysts. To make your future investment more successful, we will highlight the factors that affect the market price of the coin so that you can make your own Zcash price predictions. Before looking at price movements, let's answer one simple question: what is Zcash? Zcash or ZEC is a cryptocurrency built on a decentralized blockchain that includes open source. This is its main similarity with Bitcoin. Another thing that Zcash shares with BTC is the limitation. Both cryptocurrencies have a limited supply of 21 million units. American actor and rapper Donald Glover, also known as Childish Gambino, is most likely one of the first to advocate the use of the Zcash cryptocurrency. In an interview with Time, Glover expressed interest in using Zcash and the opportunities it could bring to the world. In support of what was said, Donald Glover bought Zcash for a very significant amount, which makes you think about buying Zcash. ZEC enhances privacy with zero-knowledge proof, ZK Snark. This allows users to confirm transactions without disclosing information that could affect the user's privacy. At the same time, the ZEC coin has an interesting feature. This allows users to exchange addresses and transaction information that they can choose to comply with auditing and regulatory requirements. Z addresses are private and T addresses are considered transparent. There are 4 types of transactions between these types of addresses. The 2 types of addresses are interrelated. You can transfer funds between both types of addresses. The only requirement is to be aware of the privacy implications. The key advantages of Zcash are low-speed transactions, user and transaction anonymity, disclosure of payment information to third parties, transaction expiration, and multiple signatures for transactions. The main factor that contributed to the development of cryptocurrency is privacy. The ZEC possesses a high degree of this, and can be called the leading privacy coin. However, this cryptocurrency did not hit BTC highs. July 2021 Zcash price target. How high could Zcash go? As you can see, Zcash is very unstable. Its cost is not easy to predict in advance. This is why it is worth checking the Zcash predictions of cryptocurrency experts. We have collected several opinions that will allow you to formulate your forecast for 2021. According to Wallet Investor, Zcash should be a high-risk investment opportunity. The July forecast will be about minus 22.968% change. Zcash forecast. Our forecasting system shows that Zcash could rise in value plus 18% in the short term to $142.19 from $120.91. The system predicts 52% growth from $120.91 to $183.63 over the next month. Zcash predicts a price of $351.99 in a year. These predictions often change depending on the current sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Zcash, ZEC, price prediction. Current price, $120.91. As of July 3, 2021, the Zcash price is around $120.91. This makes Zcash the 67th largest crypto project in the world. These are our Zcash price predictions for the future of Zcash. Zcash, ZEC, to dollar forecast for July 2021. In early July 2021, the price will be around $135.42. Peak price $142.19, low $124.59 as of July 2021. The average Zcash price for July 2021 is $133.39. Zcash price forecast for end of July 2021 is $135.42. Change for July 2021 is 12%. Zcash, ZEC, forecast for August 2021 against the US dollar. In early August 2021, the price will be around $153. 02. Peak price $183. 63, low $145. 37 as of August 2021. The average cash price for August 2021 is $164. 50. Cash price forecast for end August 2021 is $153. 02. Change for August 2021 is 13%. Do you like our video? Like and subscribe to the channel. As soon as we gain 1,000 subscribers on the channel, we will immediately give away 2 Bitcoins among all who subscribed.